Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how we can add a battery percentage widget to your home screen on iPhone iOS 14. What you need to do is just swipe to the right on your home screen, then tap and hold the battery percentage widget and drag it to the right. And tap on Done. You can also tap and hold the empty space on your home screen. Then tap on the plus button and search for batteries. Then select the widget size. And tap on Add Widget. That's how you can add a battery percentage widget to your home screen on iPhone iOS 14. Thank you for watching.